Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both machines are reachable. On each PC, connect to the same Wi-Fi and set the network profile to private so Windows trusts the network. Next, enable network discovery and file and printer sharing in advanced sharing settings. This allows the machines to see each other. Sign into either matching Microsoft accounts or local accounts with administrator rights to simplify permissions. Once done, verify the PCs appear under Network in File Explorer before moving to Share Folders and Connect. Now you create the actual access points. Right-click a target folder, go to Properties, and open the Sharing tab. Use Advanced Sharing to enable sharing and assign a share name, then set permissions, choose Read or Read/Write based on need, because permissions control who can modify files. If you used specific user accounts, note the usernames and credentials. On the second PC, open File Explorer and choose Map Network Drive, or use the address bar with \\, PC name, \share name to connect. Make sure to select Reconnect at Sign In if you want persistence. Finish by validating the link. Copy a small file both directions and confirm timestamps and permissions behave as expected. If you can't access the share, first ping the other PC by name and by IP to distinguish name resolution from connectivity, ipconfig and ping reveal routing. Then inspect firewalls, temporarily disable third-party firewalls, and review Windows firewall inbound file and printer sharing rules. Also check saved credentials in Credential Manager and clear or update them. If all else fails, reboot both PCs to apply network changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.